Quick note before the video begins, the video does get buggy where the pixels get distorted and do all kinds of weird stuff. Just wanted to let you know that there is nothing wrong with your device that you're watching this on, and with that said, enjoy the vlog. I gotta start off this video by playing some basketball. What was that? Yeah, that's what I thought. Oh, dude, that would have been so cool.
Oh my gosh.
Actually, hold on, now I'll pop it. Alright, so we're doing Rocket League on PS4. It's a pretty shitty experience so far.
Put your distance to the lowest you can. I have mine at max. Make the height lowest.
Height lowest, alright, that's fine. What the fuck? Okay. Angle?
The angle's so bad. The angle doesn't even change anything.
It really even change anything.
It basically, oh my god.
Alright, I've never played on control before. I play on okay. And it's so delayed. But like
so
I've never
I'm
it's the only
trying so
jump I
hard.
know how to do. I feel like a pro just being with controller because like I don't think it matters much. Hey, oh boosting. Woo! I can actually do this shit. Alright, let's go for aerials. Oh shit.
Holy shit. Oh my. This is awful. This is so bad.
You are actually pretty close to my camera settings. I'm not even like.
I am? Your distance is this far?
Not that far. You're close. I'm a little closer. Yeah, I learned that finally. Oh!
Oh, you scored? Nuts. Let's switch. We're going
so
to the.
good.
We're going to the. Let's go to the computer. This is so delayed.
Okay, so we were searching up how to cook steak. Oh, there we go.
Gordon Ramsay or steak
Gordon
on
Ramsay.
shelf? Ooh.
I mean, this does have a 0.1 more million views.
Wait,
than
but
that
what kind of steak are we making?
What kind of steak are we making? Dad's. Oh yeah, we're cooking on that thing.
What if I just go far enough to find it?
Dude, we keep seeing Gordon Ramsay. I saw him like twice or 3 times already. Okay, whatever thumbnail looks the best. Wait, no, let's look at a
It's kind of spicy.
strip steak, whatever
Or
looks.
this one. Let's watch this one.
Let's watch it, yeah.
Alright, let's go. Oh, we should probably wash our hands.
Wash our hands. Probably.
There's no soap here.
No soap. Damn. Oh, hold up. We gotta watch the video. A stay-at-home chef. It's a girl cooking. That's promising. Found videos. Hey, Lauren, you're in the video now.
Oh, hey. Oh, hey.
How you doing?
Oh, hey.
Oh, hey.
Oh, didn't realize.
Oh, hey. I didn't see you there.
Yeah, didn't see you there.
That's a good intro. I'm doing that for my next video.
Dude, in every video, you should start with yourself facing the opposite direction. Be like, oh, hey, everybody. Oh, wait.
Yeah, just over here. Like the
Oh,
camera's
there
over
you
there.
are. There you are.
These were the best steaks I think I've ever done. And my wife was like, these are better than any restaurant she's ever gone to, any steakhouse. So, with that said, let's get into this cook.
Where's your asparagus and, 2 plus?
My turn.
The olive oil.
Another beer cider.
I'm a natural. Get your a man's that can spread salt like that, or just a seasoning like that. No, Dad, just flip it or just flip it. Just flip it.
You will want to, like,
We already did. We already did.
I'm touching the meat.
Oh, okay. Love that sound.
We're using some Grill Mates seasoning.
Not sponsored though. Roommates, if you're seeing this, we'd love to work with you.
Same avocado oil.
Those aren't avocados, pretty sure.
We didn't sign up for this.
Rub the potato.
Internal temperature to be 130. And I have a probe out there that measures the internal temperature. So, alright, your probe is this guy right here. So what you're going to do is pick a steak, and you're going to stick this inside the steak up to about there, or there, however far you can get it in there. You want it to be kind of in the center of the steak.
Okay, you want that part to be in the center.
You want that kind of close to the center. So this is your probe, and it will tell you what the temperature of it is, and then that'll go on your thing there. Okay, this is how you turn the temperature up. So we're gonna get it to, you want 400?
Yeah.
Okay, is that something you just made up?
Nope. I checked it with my dad.
And that'll lock it on 450.
We're switching it to 450.
Yeah. Oh, 450. No. 470. What? Yo. Is this thing good?
What are you doing?
Okay, there we go. Yeah. Got it.
6-9. Nice.
Staples and salads.
Okay, so here's
What about the Caesar salad?
here on the can.
Or does that not exist?
I have cut it. See right here, look at that. There's that bad boy. You know what that is? I'm gonna tell you what that is.
Government plant.
That is the fat number 2. 2 heaping tablespoons.
Part of every good salad.
Mix it in. You're gonna take a look at it and see. So take a look at that.
Ooh,
Salad.
yeehaw.
See, it will even thicken more in the refrigerator. So.
So it's mayonnaise, pork, and beans.
Yeah.
Smells good.
Oh yeah, that meat.
Come on, Jack.
Tongs.
You're just gonna take this and you're gonna put it right into the center here and try to keep it in the center until it gets about there.
From the top.
Yeah, and keep it at the angle so it
We don't
goes
need a
straight
trip to the
in.
emergency room out of this.
No? A little bit further.
Making steak gone wrong.
I guess a little bit further.
Yeah, there you go.
Perfect. Okay, so that's going to be one that's going to go in. So get the tongs.
Probe steak. That's the steak that's been like on the spaceship.
So now you can take all the other steaks and put them in.
Oh. No bueno. Oh yeah. That looks so good.
Look at that.
Amazing.
Look at that. Make sure to get that whole thing.
Bread.
So you're moving the steaks around because right. Go.
Nice. Might be able to get a job with it.
Might.
This one's not flipped yet. So.
Flip 100.
All right.
A few moments later.
Don't drop it. Yeah. I don't want to touch it.
So for the probe, what I do is I'll hold it with this. I'll just stick the point like this, and then I use that to just kind of slowly pull it out.
Warren, where you said we were gonna get you some.
And this is my meal on Father's Day. Looks pretty nice. Okay, so I'm recording this like hours after we ate it. So yeah, we ate the steak and I thought it would turn really good. Like my dad thought it was good. My friend's dad thought it was good. My friend thought it was good. Everyone thought it was good. So yeah, I call that a win for me. I even made asparagus and some mushrooms. So yeah, that also turned pretty successful. I actually don't really like asparagus, but for some reason I did this time, probably because I cooked it. They did say I could do better, but you know, like that was like my first steak that I actually cooked. I'm 17, but I haven't cooked any steaks. First time for everything. Yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give this video a like, and if you want to see more of this content, do subscribe. And if you don't want, you could just unsubscribe. Yeah, no point in not subscribing, right? Have a good day, guys. I hope to see you guys in the next video.